Heel toes change based on if you are performing house or just general hip hop. So if you're popping with them, there are little nuances, and if you're doing more of a funk hip hop, there are other nuances. This applies to basically everything we're talking about this week. So when you're doing heel toes, there is a difference between the two, and again, it's finding that vibe. Heel toes, in just a general sense, begin with your heel on the ground in the front, toes are lifted. Your back foot is the ball of the foot with the heel lifted. So you have to find a little bit of a balance. From there, your front foot is going to pivot to the side. That's all it does. Your back foot slides to the side on the ball of your foot. Now the trick is doing that pivot on the front and slide with the back foot at the same time. I kind of equate these to like hip hop jumping jacks. Heel in the front, toes in the back, twist to the side. You jump to get to the other side. Another option for heel toes would be what we use in house, in which case you're hitting the back of the heel, your toes are up in the air, and then you step on the ball of the foot and you rotate heel to the ball, and that brings you to both heels up position when you're center. So you have heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and your upper body will traditionally go to that leg that is extended. The set that I equate to as hip hop jumping jacks, you want to find that groove into each side. For house, you want to find that groove as you move back and forth with the music that's playing. It takes some getting used to finding that beat. Once you find it and you can pick up on the beats faster, you'll start finding that momentum and that groove a lot faster for the rest of the steps that you're doing with that. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about improv. I will see you then.